Hello everyone, welcome to Plants Bloom. Today I will give you a complete guide on how to grow jackfruit tree from a seed. First you need to take a container, tissue and a good selected seed. Place it on the middle and cover with tissue and leave some bit of water just to get it soaked. Once it gets completely soaked, cover the case, it should be airtight, and keep it for 3 days. After 3 days, you can see the seed has started to sprout. You can clearly see the seed has opened up and it has started to sprout. Again close it and keep it aside for 7 days. After 7 days, I opened and checked it again, and this is the result. It has sprouted very good and root has been started to grow well. So now we can leave it for another 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you can see roots has been shooted up well, and the leaf has started to sprout out. Usually I leave it another 2-3 days to grow it little bit more. Then I sprout it and I shift it to the container. And the mix which I have taken is 80% of coco peat and 20% of vermicompost. You can get this after it grows little bit higher. It will leave the leaves upside and place it. This is after 20 days. After 20 days it has started to grow. You have to water it once in a week because vermicompost has good moisture. This is almost after 30 days. You can see it has grown well and roots has been started to shoot. After day 40 you can see good growth in leaves and roots will be well settled. And after day 50 you can place them under sun. The leaves will be well developed and it would started to grow much better. I am growing many saplings as I got personally impressed after eating fruit from one particular tree. So I thought I should give back the nature something, and I am doing everything only for my hobby. And these are the saplings which I have grown. I would be gifting everyone. I'm not selling it. I'm gifting everyone. So in next video you will see how I transferred them to the nursery bags. And after a particular time I'll be gifting everyone so that they can grow peacefully and in better places. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this gardening tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.